Hi everyone, I'm Lee Stevens from Soul Therapy Wellness Spa. So today we're just going to go really quick over, again, I have work to do pretty soon, so I'm just going to do a really quick, basically showing you some great products to use in the summertime. We get problems with swelling around the eyes, we get puffy eyes, we get extra oil, we get more breakouts. It's because of the humidity. Here in Saskatchewan, we have so many variables in the humidity. It goes up and down all the time. Right now, it's not a very great day outside. It's gray and cloudy and cool, but it is still very humid, and this can cause little problems with our skin and our body as well. So let's just get right off to it. Cleansing. So my very favorite is a Mineral Exfoliating Wash from Ilike, but any gel cleanser that doesn't strip your skin is very beneficial to use in the summer because it's going to remove the excess oils that don't need to be there. This one in particular does do a very gentle exfoliation with clay that's in the product, and it helps to absorb the extra oils. So the next one is the toner, and this is a stone crop toner. This is excellent to use all over the body, especially if you've been in the sun, you've been sun tanning. This is stone crop is related to the aloe family, and it has benefits in terms of healing sun damage, or actually hydrating the skin. It actually brightens the skin. It helps with the melanin production because it's repairing the sun damage in the deeper layers of the skin. So once the active ingredients start penetrating, it does help with that repair. The next one is something new that I just got actually, and I really love it. It's a light based, kind of like it's an aloe juice is its main ingredient in this one. It's the grapefruit and green tea from Livia. Now these guys are from the States, and they do a lot of organic and wild crafted ingredients in their products. I love it. It's in a pump. It's very lightweight, and it's great for oilier skin types that just need some moisture, some hydration, some protection. There is titanium dioxide in this one, so it's an SPF of 16. I'm not a big fan of titanium dioxide, but in this case, a mineral in as a sunscreen for this one. It's great. It's a double duty. For the skin also, this one is awesome. This is the Mattifying Ilike. I should use this more often because I have this problem. So it's like a concealer and oil control both at the same time, and it's a very it has a lot of color to it because of the clay, the herbal clay in this product. And you dab it, you don't rub it, you just dab it, and you actually can make, you know, areas that you have oil, like your nose, you're just gonna dab. You can put this over makeup, even like throughout the day. You can actually blend this into your skin because it is like a little bit like a concealer. So all those areas that have some redness, this is awesome to use because if you have blemishes, you can use this over the blemishes. It's great. So another favorite product for puffiness is the Woes eye patches, and they are silicone gel based. You can keep these in the fridge, and they are nice and cold when you put them on. They will take the puffiness right down, and they will brighten your eyes and give, especially if you have fatigue in the eyes, these brighten your eyes right up. They tighten and make your eyes look much better. And last is masking. So we need to mask more in the summertime. We tend to produce more oil. Even if you have drier skin, you're going to find your T-zone will produce more oil. So it is good, a good idea to add another step of masking in the week. One that I recommend to my clients quite a bit is the therapeutic sulfur mask. This is a Peter Thomas Roth product. Is quite thick It is 10% sulfur, so it looks very creamy, but it goes very nice on the skin. You want to do this at least twice a week, especially if you're breaking out a lot. Another product from the Ilike line is the 7 herb mask, and this has zinc oxide in it. This is really good for rosacea, acne, and actually all skin really can benefit from this type of mask. It's very soothing, calming, it nourishes, and it does help to, if you have a breakout happening, it actually helps to prevent that breakout from getting worse. All right, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, please like me, and please hit the notification bell just to let you know when I've released a new video. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.